day.
Hey everyone, hope you had a great weekend. We're going to kick this week off with a tech tip on Google Docs. Now you all know that I'm a huge fan of Google Docs and its collaborative tools. Well, today we're going to take a look at another one of the great collaborative tools in Google Docs, which is commenting. So commenting basically allows you to put comments in a doc about certain sections of text, but it actually allows you to do a whole lot more. So let's jump in and take a look at how this works. So I've got a Google Doc open. This is just a document that explains how to set up some software for a 3D printer. And I'm going to use this just as an example. So let's say for argument's sake, I've shared this document with a whole bunch of people. And as I'm reviewing it, I have some comments or thoughts I'd like to share with everyone that this document is shared with. Well, I can highlight a section, and to add a comment, all I need to do is click on this little comment bubble over on the right side, and it will bring up a little comment box. And I can type something in. This is unclear. All right, and then I can continue to go through the document and point out sections that might need editing or might need more information or whatever the case may be, and anyone that this document is shared with will get these comments. What's then great is the other people that this document is shared with can come over here and reply. I will make this more clear. Thanks. Reply. And so now someone else can comment on your comment, and basically you can start having a conversation within a document that everyone is able to see. And once I go ahead and make this section more clear, I can simply hit the resolve button, and that sort of indicates that that task is done with. The other thing that's kind of cool is you can tag other people in a comment. So for example, I'm going to click this link, highlight this link over here and create a comment, and I'm going to tag myself. We're just going to pretend that I'm another person. And, oh, that didn't work for some reason. There we are. And I can say this link doesn't work. And comment. And so now I have been tagged in this comment, which means I'll get a notification in my email saying that I have been tagged in the comment and it needs my attention. So I can come over here now and reply. That's strange. I will double check. And reply back. And so then the individual that this was tagged with can reply back. Again, once this is resolved, I can simply click the resolve button and this comment will be done with. Another step to that is I can highlight something, add a comment, and tag someone, and I can assign it to someone. So in my case, it's my email, so I'm assigning it to myself. This needs to be fixed. But I could then put someone else's email address in and assign it to them, and it becomes a task, which turns Google Docs almost into like a project management system, which is really cool. And again, the individual that's tagged and assigned will get a notification that they're tagged and assigned a task. So I can go ahead and assign this, and now it turns it into a little check mark instead of the resolve button. And then, like comments, previously I can go in and reply to this as needed. I will take care of this right away. Right? And so I can comment on that, and then as soon as it's done, I can check this off, indicating to everyone that this is shared with that I've taken care of that task. So that's really great if you're working collaboratively on a long document where there are a lot of different people contributing. Using the comments and the assigning feature will make it very easy to stay on top of who needs to do what. The last thing I'll show you is there's a way to take a look at the entire comment history, which is this comment button in the top right. When you select that, you'll see all of the comment conversations that have occurred throughout this document, and it will actually show which text was commented on. So my first one was the bullet number 3 when Cura opens, etc. And then the second was the click here to download, and again the click here to download, and it shows me the full conversation of everything that happened. And let's say for argument's sake someone checked off their task or resolved the comment and the issue in the comments actually wasn't resolved. Well, I can come over here and I can reopen this, and it brings the comment thread back, and actually it shows that I reopened it at a certain time. So you can see you can sort of audit the entire history of a comment conversation within a Google Doc. So as you can see, comments are a lot more than simply comments about blocks of text in a document. You can address people through tags, you can have conversations about certain sections of a document, and you can even assign tasks to individuals that the document is shared with simply by adding a comment and putting their email address in. So it's a really powerful tool to stay on top of a big project, let's say a very long document that requires a fair amount of people to contribute. Well, comments are a great way to stay on top of everyone's progress progress and everyone's responsibilities in that project. Well, that's all I've got for you today. Thanks so much for tuning in. As always, hit the subscribe button. We release new tech tips every weekday at noon, as well as 2 live stream projects every weekday at 10 and 2. And check out the DAE.com for our full list of online workshops. And keep in mind, you can book a private lesson with us in any topic, whether that's 3D printing, computer programming, or using some of the collaborative tools in Google Docs. So definitely check out the DAE.com and shoot us an email if you have any questions. And if you have an idea for a tech tip you'd like to see me do, throw it in the comments. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.